Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, I decided to create completely free 3D platformer course in Unity for beginners. Even if you are completely new in Unity and C Sharp and in game development in general, you can still join me. You can still do it because I will explain you everything in very easy to follow way, beginner friendly way. Also, I don't want you to just sit and blindly copy my lines of code. That's why I will explain you everything before we jump into the coding parts, which will be nice. So basically, what we will create and what you will learn is to have 3D platformer game. You will learn how to create basic main menu with the working buttons. Obviously, you can then change it, modify it a little bit, make it prettier, add some photos, icons, and so on. Also, we will have some dialogue system implemented, and I will teach you how to do it. Um, and then we will go and create our level. Now, in our level, we will create fully working 3D player from scratch, and you will learn how to create 3D movement and how to set up your characters. A good thing is that this method is universal, which means that you can use this kind of mechanic in any other 3D game when you will want to create 3D models. Basically, you will work on it. Also, you will learn how to work with animations. We will have jumping animation, moving idle. Also, we have some attacks going on. We will learn how to implement our enemies and with the AI system. Uh, as you see, they are chasing us. They can attack us. They can damage us. It also means that we will learn how to work with a health system and also scoring system. Also, we will have some missions going on. Right now, it says collect 2 gems, defeat 2 enemies. It's just an example. We can obviously destroy those enemies without attacking just like that. Also, we have some damaging system going on, so those bombs are for the damage. You will learn how to set up simple scene. Obviously, I will provide you these models, but it's not mandatory to use these specific models. You can use much better ones. You can find much better ones, and process will be completely same. So it's fine. Also, we will implement different levels. For example, if we go here, we will go in the next level, which looks much prettier. And here we also have some missions going on. We will work on our audio system. Right now, my audio is mute, but you will learn how to do it and lots more. So feel free to join me. I will post videos on this channel of this course. So yeah, just don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. And see you very soon.